Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. I thought you might like a walkthrough of my little book now that it's done. I have not added charms to this. I don't have any Halloween charms, so that may happen sometime in the future. I thought I'd read you the little captions and just do a flip through real quick. If you've been watching the series, you've seen them all. So anyway, so I just used clippings from Tim Holtz's Ideology clipping sticker book. I hadn't really been using it, so I thought I was committed to putting one on every page. So it reads like a disjointed story, maybe. So I made the title Everyday Words Full of Superstitions. And then this one says, Sleep and Dream. Something mysterious. Withered leaves about your feet. Coated with sugar. Give me a few moments. Take me a few moments to eat that candied apple. They now stand right on the brink. Into near darkness. Boo! The intensity of her stare. Curious looking. The chemistry club. A little bit of everything. Through the long evening. The first step in a journey. More brightly shine. Her eyes gleamed. Brave girl. Learning to fly. She was herself again. A time of wonders. He found himself in a strange land. To be preserved. Went off bravely. He was an extraordinary talker. By the light of the moon. She didn't press her luck. The magic masterpiece. And wishing him a good night. Lucky him. Queen of the evening. And I lived beneath the open sky. Well, there's my little book. What do you think? Do you like it? I think it turned out kind of cute. I hope you liked it. I hope you've liked the series. If you did, let me know. Leave me a comment. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.